Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Bustamante Highway, and this road is located in Clarendon. It takes you into Maypen. Now this road is unfortunately the most dangerous road in Jamaica. This road has more fatal incidents than any other road in Jamaica. When you think of the amount of traffic that's on Mandela Highway, the amount of traffic that uses the Northern Coastal Highway, this road is the most dangerous. We are actually heading towards the Maypen roundabout now. So if you're traveling on the south coast from Old Harbour to Maypen, once you come through Sandy Bay, you get on this road. It takes you from Sandy Bay to Maypen. And back in the day, this is what was considered a highway in Jamaica. Now we have these 4-lane dual carriageways, the kind of highway you'd find in a first world country. But back in the day, this was what was considered a highway in Jamaica. That's why it was called the Bustamante Highway. And it's named after Sir Alexander Bustamante, former Prime Minister of Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.